everybody! Do you like my Easter bonnet? Thanks! I hope you'll make one too. This story is called Easter Parade, and it's a song by Irving Berlin. Never saw you look quite so pretty before. Never saw you dressed quite so lovely, what's more. I could hardly wait to keep our date this lovely Easter morning. My heart beat fast as I came through the door. In your Easter bonnet, with all the frills upon it, you'll be the grandest lady or man at the Easter parade. I'll be all in clover, and when they look you over, I'll be the proudest friend in the Easter parade. On the avenue, Fifth Avenue, the photographers will snap us, and you'll find that you're in the rotogravure. I could write a sonnet about your Easter bonnet and of the friend I'm taking to the Easter parade. Good job, friends!